What's going on, everybody? I wanted to tell you about my latest experience with the Morris 4x4 and their whole customer service department. Before that, though, I may have a little problem. So I was working on the Jeep yesterday, on the exhaust, wearing my favorite Jeep hat, crawling around it, underneath it, all that stuff. Now, my favorite Jeep hat smells like oil and grease, and welcome back to the world of old Jeeps, right? Okay, maybe it's not a problem. It's just a Jeep thing. Still love the hat, and I don't know, I love that smell too. Means I'm working, right? All right, so I ordered some parts for the TJ from Morse 4x4. I ordered 2 parts from Morse 4. I've ordered parts from all over the place, but I ordered 2 specific parts from Morse. One of them came in. One of them didn't. And I was kind of curious what happened to that other part. So I went back to see if I could find my order. Turns out the email address I gave them on that order was one I don't use anymore. I don't have it. It doesn't even exist anymore. And it's from years ago, back when I had my other Jeeps and was ordering parts from all the places. So then it came down to customer service. How do I get a hold of them to try and find out what happened to this other part? It's that bar that goes across the tailgate bar, I think it's called, for the soft top, and I needed one. And I ordered it from them because it was the cheapest, and didn't think anything of it until that other part came in, but the tailgate bar didn't, and we got dumped on rain-wise in Traverse City. There was flooding in Traverse City, Michigan. It was horrible. I haven't seen anything like that in my time up here, and I've lived in Traverse City for 11 years now, 12 years. Never seen anything like that. So imagine that pouring into the Jeep because that bar isn't holding the window flat. So I was kind of curious, what happened to that? So I tried to get a hold of them. What did I do first? I tried to use the live chat. It was during business hours, and I clicked the live chat, and it said, no live chat representatives available. Try again later. And it disconnected me. Then the next morning, I had to get to work that day, and the next morning I thought, well, I'm going to try the live chat again. And I got on there, and I waited 45 minutes, and I kept cycling through these responses going, oh, you're very important to us. We'll get around to helping you in a little bit. Never got around to helping me. So I thought, okay, I've got just a few minutes left before I have to go to work. I'm going to call them. It was within their business hours on their website, and I called them and clicked through their little automation thing. If you have an order, click this. If you have want to track, whatever. If you have questions, wait on the line. So I waited on the line, and no one ever came. And so I didn't have a lot of time that morning, so I hung up and went on my way. The next day, tried the same thing. And went and did the online chat and waited several, well, not hours, but I waited a good 45 minutes, I think, again. Called them. I was on the phone. I was on hold waiting for a customer service representative for 45 minutes. Actually, that on hold, I was about an hour. And then I just said, you know what? Forget it. I'm just going to email them. And I emailed them just asking for a tracking number, because that's what it was. That's what I wanted, was to know when this bar was going to come in. All I wanted was the tracking number for the order, because the one they sent probably went to that email address I don't use anymore. Simple, right? It wasn't a complaint. It wasn't a problem. I just needed a tracking number. Never got a response. 2 days later, I have another morning off work. I don't go until the afternoon. So I jumped on the live chat again. And after about an hour, I forgot about it. That window stays open in the bottom corner of your computer, and it cycles through those messages. You're very important to us. Please wait. Hold on. We'll get around to you. And I forgot about it. I went and took a shower, started getting ready for work. And I thought, do I call him again? Nah, I better not. At one point, I went on Facebook and sent a Facebook message to Morris 4x4, thinking maybe someone different answers the Facebook messages. I got an automated response saying, you're very important to us. We're very busy. We'll get around to you. Please wait. whatever. I got out of the shower. I'm getting ready to go to work, and I noticed that someone had started the live chat. It was an hour and a half. It gives you the time when you start and the time when they respond, and it was an hour and a half. And I had been in the shower, so it was like another 15 minutes later, and so I typed, "You still there?" And they responded, "Yeah, we're still here. What can we help you with?" And I said, "All I need is a tracking number. Here's the email that you sent everything to. I don't have that email address anymore. It doesn't exist, so I just need a tracking number." And she goes, "Well, I'll send everything to your new email address." And I was, "Okay, great. Here it is. I've got to go to work. Send it to that email, and we'll be great." And I went to work, and I never heard anything from her. While I'm at work, someone responds to the Facebook message about 4.5, 5 hours later. And eventually, through that Facebook messaging, I do get a tracking number. That person who was doing the online stuff never actually sent anything to my email. So that's my experience with Morse 4x4. Turns out the tracking number was correct that he sent me, and it got delivered that same day. It was a week later after I ordered it, and several days after that other part came in. But I did get the part. It's on the Jeep now, and everything's okay. They sent me a gift certificate for, I don't remember, $25 or something for my trouble. Great. Here's the thing. Customer service is a big deal to me. I am a preaching shop local kind of guy. I will preach that all day long. But when the customer service sucks, shopping local doesn't mean anything. Morris 4x4 isn't anywhere local to me, so it doesn't mean anything to me. But customer service, it's what it all comes down to. It's customer service. And if there's gonna be a local shop that's gonna earn my business, it's gonna be because of the customer service. I'll pay a few extra dollars if I have to, as long as the customer service is good. When I have a problem, is it gonna get solved? Are they going to answer the phone? I spent 3 or 4 days trying to get a hold of Morris 4x4 just to get a freaking tracking number. That is not customer service. Now, I know it's the whole COVID thing, and the shops are going crazy and goofy, and I mean, maybe they just don't have the staff right this second to deal with whatever's going on. However, there was another shop. I ordered the catalytic converter from them. I ordered a pace setter, and pace setter's delayed because of the manufacturing. They are working things slowly. And this other shop got a hold of me, said it's going to be another 10 days before we can even have it drop shipped to you from Pacesetter. If you want to cancel the order, great. We'll work with you, whatever you need. And then they ended up, I just asked, once it's done, because I'd really like the Pacesetter, it's affordable and the reviews are decent, can I just get quicker shipping than the 10-day or 8 to 10-day ground shipping? And they said, yep, we'll upgrade you for free to the 3-day FedEx or whatever. And so that was nice. That was good customer service. They were very proactive in doing it. They contacted me. They contacted Pacesetter, and they're keeping me in the loop. If you're curious, it's a company called New Level Motorsports. I think they're out of California. I knew I wanted the Pacesetter catalytic converter, and they just had the best price, and that was that. But I mean, they've earned my business for other things now going forward in the future. Why? Because of the customer service. I'm not getting my cat any quicker. Well, a few days quicker on the shipping, but I mean, it's still not here. I still can't drive the Jeep until I get that thing fixed. But the customer service was there. So, Morris 4x4, I love you. I've ordered a lot of parts from you over the years for a lot of Jeeps. I don't know if you're going to get my business for anything else on this TJ because of this customer service. So I suggest you hire some people, train some people. I don't know what you have to do. I don't know what the answer is, except ignoring people when they're trying to get a hold of you to discuss a problem. And mine wasn't even a problem. I just wanted a tracking number. I don't know, guys. That That's rough. That's rough. So, anyways, that's my experience with Morris 4x4. I'd love to hear your experiences, good or bad, in the comments below. Maybe we can help them get good customer service, better customer service. They definitely have good prices. So how can we help them get better customer service so that we're more satisfied customers, I guess? I don't know. I don't know how all that works. So anyways, I'd love to hear your experiences with Morris. And if you've got any great customer service examples, leave those in the comments below as well. And I will catch you on the next video. Coming up this weekend, I'll be doing the engine detailing. I might get the tune-up done this weekend. And we'll just see. We'll play around and see what we can get done before that cat gets here. Oh, I've got the door skin video to do too. I guess I better get that one done because I said I was going to do it, right? So lots of stuff to get done this weekend and more videos on the way. Have a great night, guys. Bye.